Looking for the best wood CNC router machine in 2026? In this video, we review the top 5 best wood CNC router machine available in the market and help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. The Lunyi 4040 Pro CNC router is a solid choice for hobbyists and small workshop users seeking precision and versatility. Its lead screw-driven system enhances stability and accuracy, making it suitable for cutting wood, acrylic, and even light metal tasks. The GRBL control offers smooth operation and compatibility with common CNC software. Assembly is straightforward, though some users may need patience during setup. The sturdy frame reduces vibration, improving overall performance. While not industrial grade, it delivers reliable results for DIY projects, engraving, and small-scale production at a reasonable price point. Number 4. The Tutre's TTC 450 Pro CNC router is a versatile and powerful desktop machine designed for hobbyists and DIY makers who want multi-material capability. With a large 460 by 460 mm working area and solid aluminum frame, it delivers stable and precise engraving with accuracy up to plus or minus 0.05 mm. The GRBL control system ensures smooth operation and compatibility with popular CNC software, while the option to upgrade to a 4th axis or laser module adds flexibility. Its 500W spindle handles wood, acrylic, and light metals effectively. Although advanced users may seek higher speeds, it remains an excellent value for creative projects and small-scale production. Number 3. The Tutre's TTC 450 Pro CNC machine is a versatile 4-axis solution for hobbyists and makers looking to explore advanced engraving and cutting. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, it offers good stability and precision across wood, acrylic, and light metal materials. The GRBL control system ensures smooth operation and compatibility with widely used CNC software. Its upgrade options, including laser engraving capability, add flexibility for creative projects. While assembly may take some time, the machine performs reliably once set up. Overall, it delivers strong value for DIY users seeking accuracy, expandability, and multi-material functionality in one compact CNC platform. Number 2. The Acme 4S70W CNC router machine is a well-designed entry-level CNC ideal for hobbyists and small workshops. Featuring a 3-axis control system, LED touchscreen, and emergency stop function, it offers both ease of use and safety. Its sturdy aluminum and steel construction ensures stability, while the 400 by 400 by 80 mm working area provides ample space for creative projects. The 70W spindle handles wood, plastic, and acrylic efficiently, with an option to upgrade for more demanding tasks. Smooth operation and beginner-friendly setup make it appealing, though it's better suited for light-duty cutting and engraving rather than heavy metal work. Number 1. The Bulkman 3D Oxman CNC router kit is a high-performance, industrial-grade machine built for precision and durability. Featuring SFU 1610 ball screws and dual linear rails on all axes, it delivers excellent accuracy and smooth motion, making it ideal for metal, wood, and acrylic machining. Its rigid 6063 T5 aluminum frame minimizes vibration and enhances stability during heavy-duty operations. The 4-axis capability adds versatility for complex projects, while closed-loop stepper motors ensure reliable positioning. With large working area options and upgrade flexibility, it suits advanced users well, though assembly can be challenging for beginners.